do you feel it would take for Masicka to actually say, yeah, my clashing? Like I said, there will be a time. When you feel will be that time?
Yeah.
It have to be a thing where like fan base bring the award. Like for example now, if him say him now run from you, clearly I run for Alkaline. Because the fans them did it. And you can't walk and draw the levels can't do the Alkaline. Not try to do that. So that afraid. I'm new name. With me can understand that. Honestly, me can understand it. And I just say true, we just not have the level of fans the way I go. They go say, yo, now we see people must say, yo, you leave, you come more the youth. But honestly, Moody said them at the fan there. If you do it every single day. But you can't say, you know, see Alkaline fans them on the internet.
Oh yeah, they must.
You see me, so it's all about me building the movement, building the community there. I make my people them go out there go war for me. Until him now feel like, yeah, okay. And just
what